I met Lucy, I already knew of Lucy. I've been at Maine Med for 5 years, and she has a reputation around the country of being an outstanding scientist.
Lucy is passionate in showing how the bench-to-bedside research really shows the way science goes from a disease to changes in how the community is treated.
Through the mentorship that she provided to my mother, I was able to see the growth that my mother had professionally and also personally. Seeing those two amazing, brilliant, compassionate women, I was able to learn a lot from the two of them. And Lucy in particular had also influenced a lot of how I view my medical career and my research interests.
If we mapped out the career impact she's had on people, we'd probably see a map of the country that's got a lot of little dots around it, because she's just such a great advocate for science and such a great mentor.
Lucy has helped every one of her trainees to write a grant application for the AHA, and her help has allowed many, many of us to succeed.
Lucy does a lot with the community, and I know that she's done a lot of work with the American Heart Association here in Maine, but also more broadly. And one of the big things that she does is she tries to incorporate the youth in her research and learning.
We say a picture is worth 1,000 words. When Lucy draws a picture, it's worth 100,000. She's incredibly gifted when it comes to communicating through schematics, diagrams, and visual figures.
When she leads, she presents herself with confidence, and she presents to an audience so that everyone can understand her.
I can't think of anybody more deserving of the Crystal Heart Award than Lucy Liaw. She's a phenomenal asset to the American Heart Association and overall our mission towards improving the lives of people through discovering strategies and ways to make people healthier.
She is fantastic at bringing people into our institute and bringing the findings of our institute out to the rest of the community.
I just remember being like, wow, she's very humble, very down to earth, and extremely caring. And I would see that and I was like, I want to be like that.